Bohle ranks among the leading manufacturers and wholesalers of everything you need for working with glass. Our experience, which we've gained over the last 100 years, is acknowledged worldwide. Founded in 1923, the family business has evolved into an international company with more than 14 subsidiaries and 400 employees in all parts of the world. We manufacture our products for the industrial glass processing, glass fittings and vacuum technology, and workshop supplies in modern production facilities, always with our high-quality expectations in mind. We develop and manufacture most of our products in Han. In this way, design, technical development, prototype construction and final production go hand in hand. Each product that leaves our workshops undergoes extensive quality controls. That is how we've gained an extensive knowledge about the material glass in the course of our history, and we are passionate about sharing this know-how during seminars and training sessions. Our state-of-the-art logistics centres guarantee quick availability of our products, which are ready for dispatch in no time. Do you still have questions left to answer? No problem. Our sales and technical service teams are happy to assist you at all times with your needs. 100 years of Bohle. Quality since 1923.